Here we have Amazon Basics 4-piece packing travel organizer cube set. This is the medium size set. So what you have here is very convenient item which helps you pack all sorts of bags for vacations, for gym bags, which I use it for my tennis bag, and even keeping it in your drawers at home. So this is a double zipper pull, makes opening and closing simple and fast. The mesh top panel is great for easy identification of what's inside the bag and also ventilation. It's nice and soft so it won't damage delicate fabrics. You have a convenient webbing handle for convenience when you're carrying it by itself. So the medium cube dimensions are 13.75 by 9.75 by 3 inches. High quality fabric is the material, and the finished interior seams to increase durability. This is one of those products that you didn't think you need until you have it, and then you can't live without.